Imagine a sword-wielding warrior from 8th century Scandinavia, not raiding for gold, but marching off for salt. Yes, salt. In the early Viking Age, around the year 800 CE, the Norse seafarers of Denmark and Norway were not just in search of plunder, they needed salt to preserve fish and meat essential for long voyages and trade. Salt production by evaporating seawater or boiling brine in lead pans is documented in Scandinavia and Northern Europe between circa 650 and 900 AD. And the demand was real. A study shows that salted herring trade in the Baltic began right around 800 CE, meaning salt became a strategic resource for the Norse. So when Vikings struck monasteries, they weren't just after relics, they were after supply lines. Take the island of Noirmoutier off western France. Archaeological evidence shows tidal salt pans used by Norse or their trading networks as early as the 7th century, which later Vikings exploited. And salt's role in preserving fish and meat made it the backbone of Viking trade. Preserved fish could travel inland or overseas, enabling the fleets and war bands to sustain themselves. The feared Viking axe may have been loud, but the quiet pile of salt was what kept the raid going. The irony: the Vikings we remember for axes, longships, and raids were also salt merchants and preservers. Their greatest tactical advantage wasn't always steel. It was the white crystals of salt that let them fight, feed, and trade far from home. History shows that even the fiercest warriors depend on supply chains. Salt, it turns out, was a weapon too.